Welcome to my channel. In this small space on YouTube I dedicate myself to making tutorials for new tools for teaching science. I introduce myself, my name is Alexander Vasquez. I am a mechanical engineering student in the last year of my degree and I reside in Mexico City. I have been using Manim since 2018 and I started working as a freelance for 8 months with this tool. Currently, thanks to the help of a sponsor, I have managed to get a fairly powerful computer, so now I can do more professional work. I offer 2 services as a freelancer, creating animations on demand using Manim and as a private Manim teacher. If you want to hire me to make animations, the most important thing I need are sketches, slides and timelines that show me the most details of your animation. If you can attach example videos it would be helpful. It doesn't matter if your sketches or slides are handmade, the only thing that matters is that you give me as much detail as possible. The price of the animations depends on many factors, mainly the duration, complexity of the code, delivery time and country of the client. I will leave you several examples with the prices. If they seem somewhat expensive, do not worry, since the prices assume customers who reside in United States or the European Union. Also, from experience, I know that customers often change several things at the end, so the price includes the final modifications that may arise. For more information see the description of the video. If you want to hire me as a Manim private teacher, the most important thing I need is for you to tell me your level of knowledge of Python, object-oriented programming and LaTeX, in addition to some animations that you want to learn how to do using Manim. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me. The best way to contact me is via Discord, but you can also contact me via email. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next line of code. Bye bye.